In today's episode on WarpDriveM, we will have a short video straight to the point, yeah, and very easy video to make. We are going to replace all the lights on the exterior of the car with white LEDs. But bear in mind that I started this video for a few days ago, yeah, and that's why maybe you will see a lot of parts around the car, yeah. Because I didn't have all the parts. Now that I receive all the parts, we can finish this video and yeah, no more talking. Let's start replacing everything. Now let's install the new LED angel lights. Yeah, I'm going to put the lights on to see how it looks now. Yep. So, see that? From this yellow orange light we are going to install the LEDs. I'm not really sure if I received everything or maybe these are the new model, because this piece doesn't have any ballast yet as the LEDs one. Maybe it has everything inside. Let's replace one to see what we have. In order to replace this, you just have to take the plug out, rotate, let's find the position. Oops, no. Now it's in, turn and put a plug. I think I have to use my both hands, or maybe, oops, the other way around. Yeah, like this. Oh, it's working without a ballast. Nice, check this out. Check this out. Yep, we have a difference, of course. Let's put this one and make some place here in the front of the car to see how it looks like. Nice, yeah. It looks amazing, yeah. It's like a modern look. It's just perfect because now this white, it's going to match, or it's a match with the white interior on the dash. Perfect. Now that we have LEDs in the front, let's install LEDs everywhere, yeah? So, are looking amazing, yeah, I really like it. Now let's install the logo projectors in the door, yeah, are this one. So we are going to install those in here, yeah. We are going to replace these original ones with that logo. I just have to have a pry tool. So I've used this tool, yeah, you can use a screwdriver of course, and you just have to pry it from underneath, yeah. There is a small place that you can put a screwdriver, see that? Yeah, in there. Take this part completely out and now you can replace this. We are going to replace this. Oh my god, that's tight. And because these are universal, yeah, the plug, just a second to put the light on now, because like I said, these are universal, the plug won't fit in here, but the connector that I received doesn't fit as well. So I had to do something like this, see that? I think I'm going to use my own cables, because I have this kind of cables but separately, and I don't have to have this wire exposed, yeah? But it's working, boys, it's working. So I'm going to finish this. I've just installed my wires, yeah, see that? But we have a problem, Houston, we have a problem. I wanted to put everything back. Just a second. Hey, come on, go inside. And see that? It doesn't fit. So apparently these are not exactly for my car. Now let's see if this will fit. Yeah, these are the lights for the number plate, and I'm quite curious now if will fit, because not everything will fit on this car apparently. So let's remove those out and see if we can install this. In the back now I've already installed one. I had to take the number plate out, yeah, in order to take the lights out, and this should be pretty simple, something like this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able with one hand to show you. You have to, oh my god, I cannot with one hand. Anyway, you have to push to the right, yeah, and one side will pop out the other side, take the plug, and that's about it. And just like that we have new lights in the back. Nice white bright light, yeah. I'm kind of blind right now. In the front as well, perfect. And in the doors we have the logo. Yeah, it's hanging in there because I didn't found a solution. I wanted to put some tape just for you to see. Yeah, that's the position. Perfect. I'm going to fix that for sure. It's not going to remain like this. Not bad. And because I don't want to close this video with these shadow lights that doesn't fit, yeah, I've already ordered the right ones, and now let's put these ones. Oh, see that? What difference. Just a second to take my plug out, and now this time the plug should fit right in, yeah. So something like this. And voila, now fits, yeah, see that? And this was before, and this is for the e39, yeah, huge difference. Let's replace the other one as well, and we are done here. And with all of that being said and done, I think we are at the end of the video. We have new angel eyes, yeah, white LEDs in the front. We have now the correct door logos for the car, yeah, on this side, on this side as well. Nice. We fixed the seat, that's perfect. We fixed the windows, and we have bright lights in the back as well, yeah, see that? Nice. Factory lights are the best, yeah, are looking amazing. Maybe I'm going to change with white for the turn signal, not for, with amber light, but not sure for now. And I think we are going to end this video here. If you want to see more progress on this car, please join me on the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.